students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing very great. Today students, let's start a new chapter of class 3rd, which is chapter number 2 about human body, which is a living machine. Okay, let's start it. So just like a machine is made up of many parts and all the parts work together to perform a task, similarly human body is made up of many parts and each of these parts does a special task. Means what? कि जैसे एक मशीन में देर आर डिफरेंट पार्ट्स एंड सारे जो डिफरेंट पार्ट्स हैं वो सारे कोऑर्डिनेटेड मैनर में परफॉर्म करते हैं एक पर्टिकुलर टास्क को विच इज गिवन टू अ मशीन. Similarly, in a human body also, we have different body parts which all together constitute our body and they perform a particular task for us. Okay? See, all of the body parts work together to perform various functions. Okay? So what they say कि जितने भी body parts हैं, they all work together to perform the various functions and we can rightly say that our body is a wonderful and unique machine. Now, each part of our body is made up of very tiny parts which are called cell. और they saying कि हमारी बॉडी का हर एक पार्ट बहुत ही छोटी छोटी यूनिट से मिलकर बना है जिन्हें हम सेल कहते हैं. एंड सेल जो है हम सभी लिविंग बींग्स की बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स है. दैट मीन्स वी ऑल लिविंग बींग्स आर मेड अप ऑफ वेरी टिनी parts known as cell. Now many cells of same type join together to make a tissue. अब different cells हैं जो same type की होते हैं. That means they are in similar in shape, their size and their function. And all those cells which have similar features, they together make up the tissue. Okay. Now the tissues of same structure and function join to make organs and वो tissues जो same structure and function के होते हैं वो एक particular organ को बनाते हैं and number of organs which work together to form a system and वो सारे same organs जो कि एक particular task को perform करते हैं they all together make the organ system. And as per this we have many systems in our body which function together to make our body healthy. Now, let us learn some main and some important organs of our body. And number one which we have is the nervous system. So students, in the nervous system, we have what? Brain, spinal cord and nerves. These are the organs which make our nervous system. The brain is the master organ or the control center of the body. अब बात करें brain की तो brain हमारी body का master organ है यानी कि वो control center है. Okay? It has messengers called nerves to send the instructions to all body parts. इसके अलावा brain के पास कुछ messengers हैं जिन्हें हम nerves कहते हैं and इन्हीं nerves के through instructions को different body parts तक send किया जाता है. Then we also have spinal cord as a part of our nervous system and it connects all the parts of the body to the brain. Spinal cord क्या करता है? Different body parts को brain के साथ connect करता है and the brain is protected by the skull. And brain जो है वो किसके through protected है? एक bony structure के through protected है which is called skull and spinal cord is protected by the backbone. Okay. The brain helps us to learn, understand, think, remember and perform. These are the functions which are performed by our brain. Next organ system which we have is skeletal system. So there are total how many bones? 206 bones in a human adult body. They together form a framework known as the skeleton. And ये जितनी 206 total bones हैं ये हमारे body का एक framework, एक structure बनाती है जिसे हम skeleton कहते हैं. ओके, स्कैल्पन का काम है हमारी बॉडी को शेप एंड सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करना एंड ऑल्सो इट प्रोटेक्ट्स द इंटरनल डेलिकेट ऑर्गन्स ऑफ अवर बॉडी लाइक हार्ट, लंग्स, ब्रेन एंड किडनीज. ओके, दे हेल्प इन द मूवमेंट ऑफ बॉडी पार्ट्स टू. ओके, बोन्स या स्केलेटल सिस्टम जो है हमारी बॉडी पार्ट्स के मूवमेंट में भी हेल्प करता है. Now next we come to the muscular system. So we have about 650 muscles in our body. So total how many? 650 muscles we have in our body जो कि हमारी bones के साथ attached होती है. Okay? The muscle help us to move the different parts of the body and ये muscles जो है bones के साथ मिलकर हमारी body में different movements को allow करती है. No movement of body will be possible in the absence of muscle. अगर हमारी body में muscles present नहीं होंगे तो हमारी body में किसी भी तरीके का movement allow नहीं हो पाएगा. Now they have given you an interesting fact That is what? That our brain is divided into two equal parts. हमारा brain जो है दो equal parts में divide होता है. Okay, जो हमारा left part है brain का वो हमारी body के right hand side को control करता है, and जो right part है brain का it controls the left hand side of our body. Okay, now the next system which we have is digestive system. So it is very useful because it breaks the food eaten by us in simple forms which is used by the cell of our body. So students, जो food हम intake करते हैं उसे completely इसी तरीके से हमारी body absorb नहीं कर सकती. इसीलिए we have a special system in our body known as digestive system. Now what does it do? डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम का फंक्शन होता है कि जो फूड हम इनटेक करते हैं उसको बहुत ही सिंपल फॉर्म में ब्रेक करना, सो दैट हमारी बॉडी के जो सेल्स है वो उसे यूज अप कर पाए फॉर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ एनर्जी. ओके, now the process of changing food into substances that our body can use to get energy is called digestion. And वो body process जो क्या करता है फूड को चेंज करता है सिंपल सब्सटेंसेस में सो दैट हमारी बॉडी उसको एनर्जी प्रोडक्शन के लिए यूज कर सके. दैट होल प्रोसेस इज नोन एज डाइजेशन प्रोसेस. ओके, नाउ देयर आर मेनी ऑर्गन्स. हमारे डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स हैं विच टुगेदर मेक इट. दैट इज व्हाट? माउथ, एसोफेगस, स्टमक. We have small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and liver, pancreas. All these are included in our digestive system only. Okay, so by chewing, the food gets mixed with saliva, the juice present in the mouth. So first of all, जब हम अपने food को intake करते हैं in our mouth, तो mouth में हमारे जो teeth होते हैं वो food को chew करते हैं, and by chewing, the food get mixed with the saliva, which is a kind of liquid or the fluid which is secreted by our mouth and is present in our mouth. From the mouth से फिर food कहाँ enter करता है? Food pipe में. This is food pipe which is also known as esophagus. ठीक है? So food pipe से food फिर कहाँ जाता है? Stomach पे जाता है. And from the stomach, फिर stomach से food कहाँ enter करता है? In the small intestine. Small intestine में it is completely digested. यानी कि small intestine में food जब पहुँचता है वहाँ पे food का complete digestion होता है. And afterwards food को distribute किया जाता है to all parts of the body through the blood via small intestine. The undigested food goes into large intestine and उसके बाद जो remaining undigested food है वो small intestine से large intestine के अंदर जाता है and उसके बाद उसे body से remove किया जाता है as a form of waste through the body organ known as LS. Okay, so this is how our digestive system works. The next body system which we have is respiratory system. This they have shown you. This is the whole respiratory system in which we have nose, windpipe and lungs as the main organ of respiratory system. So respiratory system is also called breathing system. Okay, so respiratory system को हम breathing system भी कहते हैं. इसके अंदर nose, windpipe and lungs जैसे organs को include किया जाता है. We breathe in and out from our nose. अब हम सबसे पहले एयर को breathe in या breathe out करते हैं अपनी nose के थ्रू. The air passes the windpipe to reach the pair of lungs in our chest. और इसके बाद जो एयर है वो windpipe में enter करती है. Okay, and windpipe से it reaches the pair of lungs which is present in our chest cavity. Now exchange of gases. अब lungs में जाने के बाद gases का exchange होता है in the lungs. That is what? We absorb oxygen from the air and we remove carbon dioxide into the air. The air rich in oxygen, as I told you, वो air जो rich in oxygen है उसको lungs में inhale किया जाता है. And the air which is rich in carbon dioxide, वो air जो carbon dioxide का concentration जिसमें ज़्यादा होता है उसको lungs के through exhale किया जाता है and it comes out through the nose. Then the blood supplies oxygen to all parts of our body. Okay, यानी कि जब lungs ने जो air rich in oxygen को absorb किया है उसमें से ऑक्सीजन जो है ब्लड में डिसॉल्व हो जाती है एंड ब्लड उस ऑक्सीजन को डिफरेंट बॉडी पार्ट तक कैरी करता है. दिस ऑक्सीजन बर्न्स द फूड एंड फिर इस ऑक्सीजन के थ्रू जो फूड हमने डाइजेस्ट किया था हमारी बॉडी ने उसको बर्न किया जाता है एंड इट गिव्स एनर्जी टू डू द वेरियस वर्क और द एक्टिविटीज. ओके, नाउ देन नेक्स्ट वी हैव एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम. Excretory system is another important system of our body. Why is it important? Because it removes the wastes from the body. हमारी body से wastes को remove करने में जो helpful है, that is the excretory system. अब excretory system के अंदर kidneys, lungs and skin, these are included. They are the main organs of excretory system. The pair of kidneys, as we have seen in this picture also, this is the what? Pair of kidneys, and these क्लीन द ब्लड। किडनीज का काम है ब्लड को क्लीन करना। ओके, किडनी क्या करती है, यूरिन को रिमूव करती है, जिसको हम अपनी बॉडी से पास आउट करते हैं। Then we remove carbon dioxide gas. See, carbon dioxide gas is also a kind of waste only, which is produced in our body, and we remove this waste from the body with the help of lungs. Okay. Then third we have skin. What does it do? The skin removes the extra water and salt from the body in the form of sweat. बॉडी में जो एक्स्ट्रा वाटर या सॉल्ट है उसको स्किन के थ्रू रिमूव किया जाता है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्वेट। Then next we have the circulatory system. Circulatory system consists of heart, blood and blood vessels. Okay, heart, blood and blood vessels are the main organs of circulatory system. If we talk about blood vessels, so majorly we have two blood vessels, two types of blood vessels in our body, that is arteries and the other is veins. Okay, arteries carry pure blood. Arteries का काम है pure blood को carry करना and veins carry impure blood. Veins हमारी body में impure blood को carry करती है. The blood supplies food and oxygen to all the body parts and brings back carbon dioxide and waste. And blood का क्या काम है, blood के अंदर food and oxygen dissolve होके उसको different body part पे supply किया जाता है and different body parts से हम carbon dioxide and waste को collect करके वापस जो lungs तक लाते हैं, that is also done with the help of blood only. Okay. Then next we have the reproductive system. So reproductive system helps in producing young ones. Okay, so it is a system in which the organs involved help in producing their young ones. Okay, men and women have different organs of reproductive system. Okay, so male and female, men and women दोनों में ही different organs होते हैं for the reproductive system. A woman give birth to the human babies. Okay, so these were the different types of systems which are there in our body and performs different functions for our living. That's all for the chapter today. It's completed. I hope you must have understood it very well. Let's meet in the next class and then take care and thanks to everyone.